To set 0 point on a V3 OneControl touchpad, on your home screen, select the Devices icon on the left side of the screen. Under the Devices, we want to select Leveling and then select the Leveler icon to get into the Leveling app. Once in Leveling, we will need to press the Leveler title at the top 5 times. It may take a couple times to register if your finger doesn't hit the right spot each time. Just repeat as necessary until the warning message appears. When the warning message pops up, press Yes to acknowledge and the setup page will appear. Press Enter to select 0 mode. The screen will say 0 point calibration, press Enter to set. At this time, you can select to extend or retract and then use the direction pad to adjust the coach in the front, rear, left, or right. When the unit is level, press Enter and the screen will read 0 point stability check, please wait. At this time, do not move around inside the unit. The screen will read 0 point set and beep when it is complete and then return you to the leveling screen. After 0 point is set, press the arrow in the upper left corner 3 times to return to the home screen.